it is Tanaya back with a hair tutorial. So I am going to be showing you guys how I got this install. Now these are Passion Twist by Nice One Hair, and I have in the color T27 in a 14-inch. Now this is really cute. I love like how it's not super long. It's like a cute natural length, and the color is like perfect for spring summer, which we know is right around the corner. So what I did was I did the rubber band method, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So I made it look like each twist is like coming out of my scalp, not like your regular straight back crochet braids. So it was kind of giving an illusion that each twist is individually parted on my hair. And I did that all throughout the front, and then I just braided the back, like regular cornrows in the back. But I am loving it. I love this hair color. I started wearing this hair color with like other styles I've been doing. So let me just get right into the video and show you guys the tutorial. Here is a good picture of my braid down. So I did the illusion in the front with the rubber bands and just braided it all in the back and sewed my hair together. And I'm also going to show you guys the hair. This is the packaging of the hair. Again, you get a lot in just one bundle. You get 8 bundles of 14, and they also give you a crochet hook and some hair jewels. But this is just the color, that T27 and 14-inch. The color is just amazing. Alright, so you're going to take that crochet hook and slide it right underneath your hair, and you're going to open, that latch is going to be open. Then you're going to take the loophole from the Passion Twist, you're going to attach it to the hook, and then you're going to close the crochet needle, close that latch right there, and then you're going to slide it through. Once you pull it through, take the crochet hook off, find that loophole again. Once you find that loophole, sometimes it can be a little messy when you pull it through, but find that loophole and then pull the crochet twist right through, and that is how you're creating your knot, and that's how it's going to stay secure. You're basically going to do that same routine throughout your entire head. So once you get it down, it's very easy. Find that loophole there. I like to stretch mine out a little bit. Slide that crochet hook right underneath your hair there, and then you attach the loop to the crochet hook. You close that latch, and then you pull it right through. Take the crochet hook off, and then you pull the rest of the crochet twist through the loop, and then you secure it by pulling it up, and that creates your knot. And you're going to do the same routine throughout your entire head. You're going to see me do this a few times. So if this is your first time, do not be intimidated. It is not that hard to get. I guarantee you, with a little bit of practice and some patience, you're definitely going to get it. And then you'll be doing crochet like it's nothing. This will be your summertime hairstyle, or when you just want to take a break from your hair and have no leave out, this will be your go-to. Okay, so as you guys can see, when you get this hair, it is off of Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get this probably in like 2 days max. I always get my Amazon stuff super quick, but you're gonna get 8 bundles, and in each bundle is gonna have 14 twists. So I think it's like 110 or 100 and something total twists in that one pack. This is just one pack of hair. Definitely, just because whenever you're doing your hair, you always get that feeling like, oh, I just want to get an extra pack just to be sure. So get an extra pack just to be sure. You can always fill in little gaps or whatever with the extra hair. So I would recommend 2 packs just to be on the safe side, but I was able to achieve this with 1 pack. Now, I did this style. This is just a little half up, half down style. I could take this and put it into like a little cute bun or whatever, and have a little bun, a little top knot. Okay, so you could do a lot with this. I could take this down. You could wear it all to one side. I don't really like to do like straight middle parts with twists or whatever, or braids and stuff like that, but you could flip it, you know, either way, whatever way kind of suits you, because again, we do have that illusion in the front. So okay, but so you get like 114, 110 or something like that twist in the pack total. You're gonna get the crochet hook as well, and they do give you some hair jewels that you can put in your twist. But this hairstyle is like super, super easy. And let me show you something. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I just bent the top down, but they even give you like a guide on what to do with your hair to achieve the style. So they show you to cornrow your hair down, insert the crochet hook, attach a piece of hair, you know, and actually how to do the crochet. But you know, in my video, I got you on that, so you'll be good to go. So you pretty much get everything you need. It is on Amazon showing right now for $31.99, which is a great price to do a quick, cute like hairstyle for under $40. Like, girl, okay, it's a really good deal. And I just love the color. They do have other colors on their site, so you don't have to just stick with this. If you're a 1B girl, if you like the little burgundy, they do have other colors, so you can choose another color. But T27 has been my color, okay? It's been my color. All right, I love this color. So definitely a good deal. I really like the hair. It's very lightweight and it's quick, and you get to do it yourself and save some coin. Okay, so comment what you think down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.